Hi everyone, I'm going to talk about my favourite, most transformative hair product I've ever come across. This is by a company called Colour Wow, and it's called Dream Coat. Now I may have mentioned it on this channel before, I've definitely done something on Instagram before, but I was talking about it and a friend said, I don't think you have. Anyway, I haven't looked back and done any sort of housekeeping. I just want to show you the difference. So this product has been designed for people who have humidity issues with their hair. So if you go out in a humid climate and your hair instantly frizzes, so you've got sort of part curly, part straight hair, and it just loses all its shape, all its shine, and that's just something that you suffer with all the time. This product seals your hair, so it's almost like a raincoat for your hair. Now that's how it's been designed, and that's what it's marketed for, but actually for someone like myself who has quite dry, coloured hair, I've also got bleach in my hair, it makes my hair feel like hair that hasn't been coloured. And let me tell you, that's a nice thing. So I use this sporadically. I'll probably use it a couple of times a week and then I won't use it for a couple of weeks. It's sort of, you don't want to use it every wash, you want to put it in your hair and then dry it in. It activates with the heat of the hairdryer, so you just simply spray it in. I've done centre parting, and I'm going to spray mid-lengths and ends, and I'm just going to do this side, literally just that much. I don't go to the roots, one because I need my colour done. Anyone knows who colours their hair that once it starts growing out, it starts getting a bit limp at the roots. So I try and keep it sort of mid-lengths and ends. The reason is that I love the texture of my hair when it's coloured because it has more volume and more texture, and I like that sort of messy texture. Whereas if I didn't have it coloured, or I used too much of this at the roots, or I used it every time I wash my hair, it would be too slippery and it just wouldn't do anything. Now some people obviously love that look, it's just not what I like. But I just wanted to show you the difference. So I'm not going to film myself blow drying my hair. I'll blow dry it in stages and then you'll see the difference. I'm just going to leave this as it is. There's literally just nothing in it. You can see it's drying now. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Right, now let's try the other side with no product in. You can see that my hair is much more sticky and woolly already. Which I don't mind that texture, but it does need to have a little bit of softness now and again to it. You can see the difference already. It's a mind of its own, my hair. The noise off so I can talk. So, you can see the difference. My hair is parched on this side. Now, I don't mind this texture. I quite like that it gives my hair movement. But now and again, you want just beautiful, soft, silky hair. And this product does it. Unfortunately, you can't dip your hand into the screen and have a feel, but hopefully just by the movement of my hair, you can tell that this side has much more movement, whereas this is just simply more woolly just because of the texture. Now, if you have superfine hair, this product is not for you. I mean, if you have superfine hair anyway, you won't understand that sort of humidity. You might get the dryness from the colour, but if you have superfine hair, especially if you put it at the roots, it will just go lank and you won't have any movement. But I've used hundreds of hair products over the years, always trying to make it sort of hydrated, soft textures. And there's some great products out there, there really is. But I chop and change all the time. But this one, I mean, it's the most transformative product I've ever used, and everyone that I know agrees and loves it. So if you've never tried it and you've got hair that swells, you've got hair that is like mine, you want just to make it smoother, and I would only like say maybe just do it once a week. You'll know that if you do it too much, that you'll get a build up and it will just look too heavy, and you'll just have that hair that's sort of hanging off your head rather than just sort of cascading over your head. This isn't a sponsored post. This is just me sharing products that I like. Legally, I have to share it with you. But I did have one thought whilst I was blow drying my hair, and I can't guarantee this. And because I'm filming it now, and I haven't made any calls or anything, I'm going to speak to the lovely people at Wow and ask them if they'll do my subscribers a discount. Why not? If they say yes to this particular product, please read the description box below, and maybe I'll put something on Instagram as well, because I normally put an Instagram post a couple of days after this comes out, just to see if there is a link that you can click if you want to try this product at a discounted price. I can't guarantee anything, but hey, why not? If you don't ask, you don't get, do you? Anyway, hope you found that informative. Have a lovely day.